Hey guys, I'll show you guys how to create hard slime into soft and so stretchy slime, and you use this every single day. And that is toothpaste. I prefer more white toothpaste because it's better, but you could use any toothpaste and I think it works the same. So you will need a little bit because it's very strong, but a little goes. You need a little bit because a little goes a long way, like borax. But if you have very hard slime like mine, you need pretty much. So I started with this much, and I'll show you. I'll show you when I'm done mixing it. You can see my slime is still hard, but it's a lot better than before. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more, like that. Oh my god, guys, it's the finished product. It's so stretchy, so soft. And if you guys don't believe it, then you should try it. But I'm warning you, don't add too much. Just add like kind of much. Not too much, but yeah. Gosh.